Kaspa at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a bounce to the upside and continues to hold above a horizontal line of support above the 0.04887. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the next key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above, and also give you a negative structure that is unfolding here on the Kaspa chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 1 hour chart, from the lows we made on the 5th of November, I have been observing this 5-wave structure to the upside, terming that initial bounce as the formation of that wave 1. Then we saw a pullback in the formation of that second wave, a bounce in this wave 3, fully maximizing our minimum target areas. And after we picked in the formation of that wave, I have been expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in a wave 4 that I have been expecting is going to continue holding within our support box between the 0.05059 and the 0.04887, which is that yellow target area. And you can see that at some point we saw a break to the lower side of that target area. And on that breakdown move, you can see that we came all the way to the highs we made in the formation of that first wave, which is against the idiot wave guidelines. And that means that we have now hit invalidation points for that 5-wave structure to the upside. And my alternative scenario is that from the lows we made down here, we have only picked in an ABC corrective structure, having that as the wave A, a pullback in a wave B, and then finally picked in the formation of that wave C. And that ABC corrective structure has completed the formation of a larger wave 1. So I have that as the formation of that first wave. Then the pullback that we are seeing right here is the formation of a second wave, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that wave A all the way to the highs we made in that wave C. And the target area is between the Fib 0.5, that is the 382, all the way to the 618. And you can see that we have seen a retracement into that target area, and that target area has continued to act as support. And we are now getting a reaction of that target area in what can easily turn out to be the next leg to the upside in the formation of that wave, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibs that to the lows we have down there in the formation of that second wave. And the Fib 1.618 is my next upside target area, and that lies above the 0.06994, an area that Kaspa can easily maximize in the next coming days. And for that to play out, we also need to see a break above the significant high we made in this first wave, and that lies above the 0.05489. So in the next coming hours, watch for a break above the 0.05489, flip that key area back into support, maybe with a retest, and the moment that plays out, then we can easily maximize our target areas above the 0.06 mark in that wave 3 in the next coming hours. The worst case scenario can also unfold, and for that to play out, we first need to see a massive bearish movement over here, breaking below the 0.04633. If that plays out, then we can expect a retracement to support above the 0.04401, where we can find support and then attempt another bounce back to the upside in the next coming days. And if we lose the 0.044, then expect a reset of the lows we made down here on the 5th of November in the next coming days. So that is the price action that I expect here on the Kaspa chart on the short term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.